Bought a bottle of the best bourbon, beat down boy goodbye. I'm gonna bury all my sorrow as the summertime passes by.
So I wish I had some eggs. Not bad. Not amazing.
Later that day.
Yeah! Finally! Woohoo!
For all you lovely people. Okay, so
Okay.
as you are stepping into the water with your boards, you are going to be going in about ankle deep water. So take off your favorite Nikes. Alright, once you're back on the board, still don't put them back on because chances are you might possibly fall in. Do you know how to swim, English boy?
Yes, sir. Feel a deep connection with this one. The old Molokai. That'll be me. Molokai. Just pulled up with this little island vibe. You made it.
Ready?
I made it. Fuck yes.
We're at Tancred Island with my friend B. Don's on the camera. Jackie's up there. Spicy Jackie's up there.
Oh yeah. Nice shot.
Oh shit.
Give us a hug, Jacquelina.
Nice shot.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Say something for the camera.
Hi,
Share some wisdom.
I'm Spicy Jackie. I've been living in the Whitsundays for the last 4 months, and I gotta say, it's not the best day today, but usually it's really beautiful. You're gonna have to come back, Jono, on a nice clear day, because then you'll be able to see some amazing things and you can share it with the world. Because for me, it's probably been one of the best places I've ever seen.
This is so mad.
Because I remember the hardest of the time.
The next morning.
I'm a sinner, I'm a saint. I'm a big cat off the chain. I'm a liberty. I'm a winner, I'm a champ. I'm that low hypnotic pimp. Call me dopamine. 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 Dopamine.
The big mango.
Hi.
Say hello, Sue.
Hi.
Hi. Steak.
Later that night. Several days later.
Yo! Okay, quick little update. Just about to head into Mackey's to basically just rinse their Wi-Fi and edit the next vlog. I feel like, yeah, I've been in airlie for so long now, pretty much nearly a week. So I think I'm gonna do my RSA. I've got like a Skype interview to complete my RSA, which is the responsible service of alcohol, which you need to have to work in any bars in Australia. So I'm gonna do that tomorrow morning at the library, and then I think I'm probably gonna head off, leave early. It's been real, met some awesome people. Shout out Dom, Jackie, B, Sue. But yeah, I think it's time to move on. I'm thinking I'm gonna start heading up towards Townsville, and then I'm gonna make my way from Townsville to Cloncurry on the 30th. So I basically got like 5 days to get from airlie to Townsville. And then I think I might link up with some of my family, like Bron and Shannon. But yeah, I thought I'd just give like a quick update. Still alive, still kicking, still standing, still bongoing. Get in there now and just edit some vids. Hope you guys are enjoying the vids as well, by the way. They're fun making them, so. Just realised I didn't sign off the latest vlog, so like, subscribe, and peace out.
I'm gonna one that back calling me Spurs. Let me jump right on the curb. This man fly like a bird. Spin on the first and the third.